I'm Jackie. Welcome to my channel. Today I got the VeganCuts Snack Box and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and opening the door to vegan. So, I haven't opened it yet. I literally just got it today. It's the May 2020 snack box. Okay. They put all kinds of stuff. So I got Zolly candy. They're like little suckers. They looks like they're kind of like made for kids. They're more of like a healthy natural candy, and they clean your teeth while you eat them. So it's going to be pretty interesting. Next in the box is a Miracle Tree brand. It looks like, is it tea? Super caffeinated infusion cherry chamomile tea. So good. Vegan jerky. Something smells weird in the box. But so far there's this vegan meatless alternative teriyaki flavored jerky. It's made out of soy and comes in 3 flavors: teriyaki, black pepper, and mild spicy. But this is the teriyaki one. Some oatmeal oats from the Soulful Project. When you buy one, they give one. Pretty cool. Next, there is all-in-one cereal, purple cereal. No. Yeah. Purple sweet potato granola. All-in-one cereal with an oat milk powder. So I guess you like mix. That's kind of weird. So you mix this pouch with water. Oh, and there's a little foldable spoon in it too. That's kind of cool, I guess, if you're on the go. Mix together your milk and then pour in this cereal, and it's with purple sweet potatoes, and it says it has like a bunch of antioxidants and whatnot. That looks pretty cool. I love this little foldable spoon that comes out. So that's kind of cool. Tons of stuff in here. Oh, there's two teas. Well, there's a chocolate chip protein cookie. Has over 12 grams of protein for the whole chocolate chip cookie. Looks pretty good. Ooh, coffee. I actually just had this one. I feel like it was in maybe the snack sack box that I get, or the last month VeganCuts box. But it's a nitro cold brew coffee, and it's kind of cool when you like open it. It makes like this really like big fizzy sound, and it's actually the nitrogen infusing like into the coffee. Pretty cool. Pigless pork rinds. So I don't know if you know what a pork rind is, but it's pig skin that they roast. This is a pigless one, and it's Texas barbecue flavored. 7 grams of protein. Ooh, rice. This is something I used before. And actually, I think my favorite flavor that the rice company makes, it's rice that's made from vegetables, and it has a lot of protein in it. The rice has 10 grams of protein for 4 and there's 4 servings in here, so it's actually kind of a lot of protein in the amount of rice. Next, there is dates, medjool dates. I know these are good flavoring when you bake and stuff, but they're also kind of sweet. Put peanut butter in them. Make sure you take the pit out. But it's like a little box of dates instead of raisins. Dates. And the to-go macro bar. It's a Smooth Sanctuary double chocolate and peanut butter chips vegan protein bar. This bar has 11 grams of protein. I've actually had this bar before. I don't remember what it tastes like, so I feel like I eat a lot of vegan protein bars and whatnot, but I'm excited to try it. That's all the stuff that was in this month's Vegan Cuts box. Similar to the last one I got, but they do change like everything in it. I feel like I'm most excited to try this cereal because I think the powdered oat milk's kind of weird, but I'm excited to try all of the ingredients. Maybe I'll come back and do like my favorite item from the box. Thanks for watching.